What's up everybody? So today we're gonna do some indoor go-karting in the crazy car.
What's up?
Oh,そんなギリなの? What's up, Odie?
What up, dude?
Are you ready for this or what?
I am ready, man. You gonna help me unload my beast?
Cool, man. You're a beast.
Yeah.
What do you got? Oh.
Well, I put some stickers on it, so, you know.
Oh, where's the switch? Okay. Alright. I follow you. Hello. Nice. What up? What's up, man? You ready or what?
Yeah, buddy.
This shit big. Brings an angle there for Yoshihara. Yoshihara qualifying 10th compared to.
What's up?
Oh man, good to see you, man. It's been a while.
Good to see you too, man. It has been too long. You know, we may be in the same driving group coming up.
Okay.
Yeah, it'll be like old times. It'll be
All
like,
right. I'm gonna just kick your ass then.
Yeah, just push me off the track. No, it'll be like 2003 Laguna Seca. You only knew. This was the extent of your linguistical powers in English was.
Yeah.
Son of bitch shit. You literally said that all day.
Only bad words. Yeah.
Only bad words.
Yeah. じゃあお疲れ、久しぶり。ニューカー、羨ましいな、いいな。
持ってます。
まだ乗ってないでしょ？
乗ってないです。去年の12月にもらったスープラなんですけど。
あ、そんなギリなんだ。
そう。まあ一人でゆっくりと毎日作業してます。
そうか、じゃあ近々なんか見れることを楽しみにしてます。
そうですね。とりあえず形にはなってるんですけどね。エンジンもまだかかんないし、もちろんテストもしてないんでどうなるかわかんないですけど、すごく楽しみにしてます。
Is that why I was almost fucking flipped?
I would say probably. That could be a contributing factor. Probably why you're learning.
Oh my god, I don't have the wheels here. Hey Dan, thanks for today, man. It was great.
Super fun. I hope we can do this again.
Yeah.
Hey, well, thanks for the invite, guys.
Yeah, that was great, man.
Thank you guys for coming out. So, pro drift testing and crazy car testing.
Yeah,
Check.
let's keep it going.
Well, yeah. I mean, next time we're gonna go back to Irvine, right?
Fair enough.
Yeah, a couple weeks.
See you guys then. Yeehaw. Thank you guys.
Bye.
You guys just ride out in style.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
I feel like a little kid again, man.
I know. Thanks a lot, Tyler. See you next time.